If you wanna guys to fix this problem on your TikTok Lite, just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. So first guys, you have to go and open your settings of your device or your phone. Then right here we'll find a list of options. Open just apps option. Then as you know, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for TikTok Lite. When you open it, go down and go to storage. Right here, click just on clear cache, but don't click on clear data because it will delete your data. Then click on force stop, click OK, then go to storage, to battery, sorry, allow it on optimized mode, then go back and go to permission and give permission to all of these options right here. Then go and check that your TikTok Lite is updated on the last version in Play Store or App Store. Then restart your phone. That's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch channel. See you in another video.